Sup y'all, Jesse here. I wanted to make this quick video on the truth about SEO and why I think it's cap in terms of what people are telling you. I believe that, there's a lot of factors that come into SEO and people are not very truthful in this industry. And I'm going to talk to you about what you can expect with gaining traffic to whatever website or service or whatever you got up on there in comparison to doing paid ads. And in my experience, when it comes to SEO, unless you are doing a lot of backlinking or utilizing specific tools, it does take a long time, and that's something that a lot of people don't really understand. And I want to just clarify that in this space that even though you could technically rank something in 24 hours, it's going to take you a while to actually rank something, specifically if it's a brand new website or if you're trying to rank a specific keyword. Now, it's not to say that you can't rank things in 24 hours, because I have actually ranked things within 24 hours depending on how easy the competition is. Now, if it's a keyword that isn't being searched a lot, it's a long tail keyword, it is easier to rank, especially if it's something that's like 5 or 6 words long. However, if you are ranking something like for weight loss or something very specific, or just something like fitness or a very small, keyword, it's going to be significantly harder to rank for that. And a lot of people don't really understand the nature of SEO, the nature of Google, especially with all of the new updates that Google is rolling out. It is quite hard to actually rank something on the first page of Google. So here's what I recommend if you are trying to rank on the first page of Google. Utilize services. So utilize things like backlinking services. You are going to have to dish out some money. Now, there is an alternative to this, and what I highly recommend is if you don't want to dish out specific money for SEO, because people use SEO as a way to save money on paid ads, whereas if you are to pay a service such as backlinking service, you're still going to end up paying upwards of $1,000, $2,000, and you could take that $2,000 instead and put it into ads and get quicker results. So my philosophy is, if you want to see long-term benefits from SEO, you have to be able to work and wait very long. You have to be very consistent with the amount of content that you put out. You have to put a lot of content. Now, we have AI, we have ChatGPT-4, we have a lot of tools to help you build content. However, it's a waiting game, and if you have bills to pay, or if you want to have a certain amount of money in your account at a certain time frame, like sooner, because most people want to have a lot of money sooner, quicker, I highly recommend investing in ads, specifically ads such as Google ads, Taboola, or mobile ads, things like that can get in front of your audience faster, and then basically you generate a lot more money faster like that. Whereas if you're doing long-term content for a blog, you can expect that it's going to take a long time, only because you are going for specific keywords that a lot of other competitors with potentially other kind of tools, they have services that they're utilizing. They're investing in black hat, they're investing in white hat, they're investing in all kinds of things. So you have to keep in mind that when you are going against higher competitors, there are going to be harder competition. It's going to be a lot harder to go against the competition. So in my opinion, it really depends on what your goals are. SEO is good for long-term investment. It's for those who already do paid ads and you are seeing quite a lot of money coming in. However, if you have the time you have to actually put in the investment of writing a lot of content. And that's the dark side about SEO, is that you have to write a lot of content. You got to be consistent. You got to put a lot of content. And a lot of people don't want to actually, go the long marathon route like that, because, it takes a long time before you start to see some kind of cash flow and conversion. And that's not to say that, it also depends on, even if you did get traffic, is that traffic transactional? Is that traffic looking to invest in your offers or your affiliate links? When they read your articles, is your article even quality? Is it just like a ChatGPT article you ripped right out of, you copy and paste out of ChatGPT without any editing or anything? Or is this, highly created, informational, educational article that you have gotten written either from a paid copywriter or you've done yourself? So those factors are things that you need to keep into consideration when you're trying to rank something on the first page of Google. You can't just copy and paste something and expect it to rank, unless you're doing it through LinkedIn, which is a whole nother story, because LinkedIn actually does work if you are putting in consistency and you're actually writing articles. However, I highly recommend, if you can do some copywriting yourself, or if you use AI as a basis and then you edit it yourself, that's another way you can create content. But I highly recommend not copying and pasting content from ChatGPT-4 in order to actually rank something. So the long story, or the short story, is that SEO takes a long time if you're not willing to invest money. If you want to actually rank something within 24 hours, yes, there are tools like the Money Robot tool. However, these tools do cost money too. You're investing money one way or the other. The tool that I talk about on this channel, which is the Money Robot tool, costs around $600. And that $600, you could take that money instead, or you could take if you're paying monthly, you could take that money instead and run ads instead. You can sign up for Taboola and you'll get transactions, you'll get conversions a lot faster than you would get with SEO, especially if you want to hit a monetary goal faster. SEO is just a long-term strategy for people that are already making an income. This is not for people that are getting started. And if you have a job, or if you're working, I highly recommend starting off with ads. Get some money rolling into your business first. And once you have some money rolling into your business, then you take that money and you invest it into SEO. And you invest it into, copywriters that can write the articles. You invest it back into tools, and you invest it back into service providers. You don't start off trying to, get SEO to work, and you're putting in a lot of work to see some results when it takes forever to get results. If you want results quicker, then you're going to have to start paid ads. So the bottom line is that, SEO works, but you're going to have to wait a while. It does work in some cases. It's luck if it works in 24 hours. The Money Robot tool, it is hit or miss. It works better with YouTube videos, but with Google's algorithm and creating articles, it's a lot harder. So with that said, make sure to like and subscribe to this video. Also, if you want access to the RankBot, I have a RankBot tool that is available in the link and also in the comments below. Make sure to check that out. It's actually a AI service tool. All you have to do is just check out in the description, and then basically once you make the investment, then we do a long-term analysis on your website. If you want a consultation with me, you can also reach out to me and we can see if we can help you out, get some traffic into your blog. So with that said, I hope you have a great rest of your day and happy Sunday. Take care, guys.